Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install OpenClaw. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here at the documents, OpenClaw. If you have Windows, you can use this PowerShell command. If you have Mac or OS or Linux, you can use this one. For me, I have Windows PowerShell. Okay, go here, open PowerShell, paste this command right here. Okay, and the installation of an OpenClaw is beginning. Okay, now type yes. Okay, type yes another time. No provider is configured. It's configured provider now. Okay, for me I want to choose OpenAI. Okay, ChatGPT login. Okay, this is the first one. Hit enter. Okay, use your ChatGPT account. Okay, let's choose my ChatGPT account. Hit continue. Return right here. It's preparing and installing some components. Okay, to navigate, to confirm. Okay. Okay, gateway reachable. Okay, let's see the gateway. Copy this one. WS. Control C. And go right here. Control V. It's not working. This is one. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it works. Now, how to connect with this one? First, copy this command here. And make sure here is open and go here to command prompt. And paste this command. Okay, as you can see, the gateway started. Now let's open dashboard. Return the same one. OpenClaw dashboard. Now, okay, as you can see, OpenClaw, it works fine with the GPT 5.6.